This is a story of a small village, whose name was Jotip. Jotip was known for its peaceful and simple way of life. Every evening, when the sun set in the west and the sky turned orange, the women of the village would light small clay lamps at their doorsteps. This wasn't just a symbol of light, but it was a tradition, a bond that connected the whole village together. In the village, there was an old temple, in whose sanctum sanctorum an eternal flame had been burning for centuries. The villagers considered this flame sacred, and every evening, by turns, some villager or the other would take the responsibility of pouring oil into it and keeping its flame alive. One evening, when the temple priest fell ill, this responsibility fell on the shoulders of the oldest person in the village, Dada Ramdin. Dada Ramdin might have become weak, but his eyes still held the same sparkle they had years ago. He started walking slowly towards the temple with the help of his stick. On the way, he met the children of the village playing. When they saw Dada Ramdin going towards the temple, they came to him and asked, "Grandpa, where are you going so late at night?" Dada Ramdin lovingly patted the children's heads and said, "Son, the temple's flame shouldn't go out. The priest is ill, so I have to do this work." The children felt good hearing Dada Ramdin's words. One small boy among them, whose name was Deepak, said, "Grandpa, I will also come with you." Dada Ramdin smiled and, holding Deepak's hand, started walking towards the temple. On the way, they met many other villagers who were coming out of their homes with lamps. Everyone wanted to offer their small lamp to the eternal flame of the temple. When they reached the temple, the sanctum sanctorum was dark. Dada Ramdin took out a small clay lamp from his bag, poured oil into it, and lit it with his trembling fingers. Then, he placed that burning lamp near the eternal flame. In a moment, the flame of the small lamp touched the eternal flame, and the temple's sanctum sanctorum was filled with light again. Seeing this, Deepak was very happy. He asked Dada Ramdin, "Grandpa, how did this happen? How did your small lamp light such a big flame?" Dada Ramdin sat Deepak on his lap and said, "Son, every lamp has its own light. When a burning lamp goes near another unlit lamp, it gives its light to it. Similarly, when we all come together, even our small efforts together can spread a big light." That night, Deepak learned a big lesson. He understood that every person has their own strength, and when everyone works together, they can overcome even the biggest difficulties. The next day, the priest returned healthy. The villagers told him the story of Dada Ramdin and little Deepak. The priest was very pleased and said, "It is true that only a burning lamp can light another lamp. We should always support each other and take our light to others." From that day on, the people of Jotip understood this even more deeply. They not only continued to light lamps in their homes every evening but also strengthened the tradition of helping each other and living together. The light of happiness and unity always shone in the village, just like the eternal flame of the temple kept burning, one lamp lit another, and the light spread. This small story teaches us that every small effort is important. When we all spread the light of positivity and cooperation together, the whole society becomes illuminated. Deep se deep Jalthan is not just a saying, but a beautiful truth of life.